Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Al-Firdaus bin Abdul Aziz. I'm about to present my website, which is Kuih Online Shopping. This website provides two kind of user, which are admin, the person who can handle the product and purchases, and user who can buy product using this website. So without further ado, I will show the admin side first. First of all, admin need to enter email and password to proceed to the web application. Admin who have been registered in database only can use this admin site. So this is admin page, admin home page. In the sidebar, there are multiple action that admin can be made. So let's take a look at the Kuih first. Kuih is action to view the product menu. After clicking this sidebar, this Kuih in the sidebar, the page will display all the product in the database. So there are only two product, kuih bakar and kari pap, and the product description, their product price, and the action to be made. So there are two action for update or delete. So take a look at the update first. So after we click the update, the page will redirect us to update product form. So they will show the information of the product, which is product ID, product name, product price, and description. Only 3 of this section can be update. The product ID cannot be update. We will change the product price to 3.5 and we click submit. After we click submit, the page will redirect us back to the product menu. And if you can see product ID number 1, the product price has been changed. So next action, admin can add kuih. The admin need to fill up this form. So we will add new product, which is donut, and the product price is 0.4, and the product description is like this. So we click the submit. After we click the submit, they will redirect back to the product menu, and we can see there have been new product, which is a donut, and the product description like, and the price same like have we registered before. So we can delete the product. So we click this delete link. After that, page will redirect to this page to show that we successfully delete product. Then we click the go back button, and then we redirect back to the product menu. That's for the product menu and the add kuih. So this is the today orders. So today is 27 January 2021. The product that been displayed is the order date for this day, 27 January 2021. So there are only 3 order for this day. So in this table, admin have the action to update or cancel the order of customer. So we can update like this. We can update this. After we click the update link, the page will redirect us to a new page which is update order page. So in update order page, they will show all the information in a form, the purchase ID, customer that purchasing our product, the product name that we purchase, the purchase date, quantity, total amount, and the status. In the update, admin only can change the status from in process to completed. Then we click submit. Then we will redirect us to the all orders. So in all orders page, they will show us all the order from the database, not specified to which day. All the day on the database will be shown. So this is all the order. The action that's provided to admin same like to the orders, which is update and cancel. So we have tried the update, so we will try the cancel. So we will click this cancel link, product ID number 17, the product name is curry puff, and after we click successfully delete purchases. So after we go back, there is no purchase ID number 17. That's all from admin side, and then they can log out. So we will take a look at the customer side. In the customer side, customer can enter their email and password if they have been registered the account. If not, they can sign up to a new account by clicking this link. So in this registration form, user need to enter the following information, and we click the register. After we click the register, page will redirect us to log in for the customer. So we enter the email, after we click the submit. So this is the page, home page for the customer. So customer can only purchase the product, view the profile, and view the product that have been purchased. So same like admin, this kuih-kuih in sidebar will show us the order menu. The only different from admin is the action. They have the action to order now. So we will click the order now. So the page will redirect us to the order now page. So this is the information of the product that we want to order. So the only things that customer need to do in this page is to enter the quantity they want to buy. So example, we want to buy 30 pieces of curry puff, and we click the submit. The cancel button is to cancel the order, to redirect back to the kuih muih page. So we click the submit. So this is our after we click the submit, the page will redirect us to the your order page. So this is all our order for this account. So our order ID is 22. The product that we order is curry puff. The quantity is 30 pieces and the amount is 15 ringgit. The order date is today is 27 January 2021 and the status is will set to the in process. The action that we have is cancel. The action only appeared if the status in process. If status is changed to completed, the action will not be shown. So we can cancel the order just pressing this cancel link and the successfully delete purchase, and we click the go back, and in our order page there is no current product, that current purchases. So the last thing in sidebar is profile. Customer can view their profile or change their profile to current new information. User can change name, email, phone number, address and password except the ID. For example, we want to change the name. And we click the submit. So after that, the page will redirect us to home page, and after we click the profile back, the information of Anis have been updated. So that's all from the customer side. So now I will show one of the function of the customer, which is order now function, and show you how the function actual work in system. This is the order menu page. So the action is order now. After we click the order now, they will send us to the order now page, and we will enter the quantity that we want to buy, and we click submit, and after that the page will direct us in your order page. So the actual work for this function is, so the product JSP, which is we see all the product, and we click the order now, which is here. The order now will send redirect us to the customer by product controller servlet, and they will carry the product ID that we want to buy. After that, in the customer by product servlet, they will go to the do get, and they will initialize the product ID by request.get parameter product ID, and they will initialize the PB product, and they will invoke the product DUA dot get product by ID. So we will check the product DAO. So this is the product DAO. The function is get product by ID. So first they will initialize the product PB, and in a try they have the prepare statement. The prepare statement is select all from product where the product ID is product ID, and this is a result set. Result set will execute the query. So in the result set, if the result set dot next, so they will set the pb dot set product id, the rs get initialize, get integer product id, and set product name, set product price, set product description, and set stuff id. So after that, so if that on the try, if the error, they will catch in the SQL exception and they will return the pb. After that, after the return pb, so this is the new pb, and they will create the request dot set attribute pb and create the request dispatcher, and they will send to the customer card.jsp. So the customer's card.jsp is like this, where the page we will enter the quantity. So this is the form. Do get method from the servlet actually want to display the current product that we want to purchase, the product ID, product name, product description, and price. So in this form, we will enter the quantity that we want to buy. After that, we click the submit, and they will send us to the customer by product controller back, and the method is post. So in the servlet, this is the do post method. First they will invoke the create the session, and they will create the customer ID from the session, and the product ID from the get request.get parameter, product price, quantity. So this is the calculation for the total amount of the purchases. So the total amount by price times with the quantity. So then the status, they will set in the set to in process, and this is for the date format. So they will the date is a 2-date string, and they will invoke the product DAO dot by product. The parameter is product ID, price, customer ID, 2-date string, quantity, and status. After the invoke, so this is the product DAO by product, and the parameter. So in a try, they have the prepare statement, insert into purchase, the purchase date, purchase quantity, purchase amount, purchase ID, product ID, customer ID, purchase status, and the value is all from the parameter, date, quantity, price, product ID, customer ID, status. And then they will execute the update, execute the prepare statement. So if in a try is no error, if in try have the error, they will catch the error in the catch SQL exception. If no error, they will just will send us to customer view order controller, and the action is customer view order.jsp. So this is the customer view order.jsp. In customer view order.jsp, they will show us all the purchases that we have been made, like this. So that's all for me. Thank you.